Hey students, I'm Mike Wilmus and I'm your geometry teacher this year. And we have quite a weird year happening. I'm teaching from home this year. My father-in-law lives with us and his heart is very troubled and it operates at about 30% capacity. So if he was to contract COVID, he would almost certainly have really bad issues with it. So I will be at home and protecting him and protecting my family as well. So I wrote a little letter explaining all of this, and I just emailed that out to you. Hopefully you get that and are able to read it. So this year, for our online or for our hybrid students with teachers that are at home, we're having the students work through an Edgenuity program. And this program is a self-paced online program that allows students to watch videos, take quizzes, take tests. All of it is online. And it's pretty nice because you can work on geometry at midnight if you want, and you don't need me around. The bad news is I'm not around, so if you have questions, it's hard to get those questions answered right away. Down below on that letter, I have left my email, and we have a few ways to connect with me. You can send a Google Hangout message to that email, and I will get that on my phone and send it back to you. Or you can just send me an email and schedule a Google Meet meeting following that link below. And I will soon have a calendar where we can set up Google Meet meetings just one-on-one, so then people don't interrupt our meetings. I'll be sending that out to you next week. I also will be getting Google Voice, which will be nice because then that will allow me to directly text you and your parents if you have questions. So you could take a picture of your work, text it to the number, and then I can look at what you're doing, write down some things, take a picture, text it back to you. And that could be a quick way to go back and forth to get your questions answered. So I want to make myself as available to you as it would be helpful. So if you can think of other ways that I could connect with you to help you with your work, please let me know, and I'm willing to try that out. On the Edgenuity program, here's what it looks like from my end. So for the fall semester, you're going to be going through 43 hours of geometry. It goes a little faster than that. So we have about 17 weeks, hour and a half at a time. So we're at about 25 hours of seat time you will have. And so if you work hard and get all of this and use your seat time well every day for your hour and a half, I think you could easily get through this course without any extra homework. But if you don't use your class time well, it's going to be a lot of work at home, which I doubt you want. And so I think if you just use your class time well, ask questions as needed, I think you will be okay. As I went through this content, we were able to take out some of the items that aren't part of our curriculum. So it's everything that we do in our Fridley curriculum. And yeah, let me know how that's going, and I can always adjust that along the way. All right, so I think I will leave it there. So we all have my email, and yeah, we'll go from there. Look for more messages from me next week on how to schedule conferences with me. And yeah, that's it. Hope your first week is going well. All right, bye.